Chickens are actually a lot smarter than people think. They can recognize over 100 faces, including people, other chickens, and even animals around the yard. They remember who's kind to them and who isn't. Chickens also learn routines quickly. They know when it's feeding time, when the coop door opens, and where to go to lay their eggs. Some chickens even learn to come when you call them or follow simple commands. They communicate with each other using different sounds, and mother hens teach their chicks what to eat and how to stay safe. Chickens may not do tricks like dogs, but they're clever in their own way. Once you spend time with them, you realize they're not dumb at all. They're full of personality and awareness.